G'day guys.
G'day mates.
So we've this morning we went and did some mud baths
In Rotorua.
in Rotorua, and we still smell like mud baths from Rotorua. Okay, fine, I'll try it once more. Wait, the what? Oh yeah. So we've come here now to where everyone else goes to when they're near Hamilton, which is
Hobbiton.
Hobbiton. So I'm going to check this out and just enjoy frolicking through the fields and checking out the hobbit holes and doing whatever you do here. So here will be
50,000 people that are here.
we have 50,000 people that are here. So we're going to go down now. We're going to go check it out, and please enjoy this little montage with some Lord of the Rings music because it can be monetized. I don't care. It's all part of the experience. Let me start you off with this music here. You can hear it? Alright, let's do it.
On an adventure! I'm going on an adventure!
Only the one true chosen hobbit can pull that out. I tried. With anybody.
Cool experience.
Amazing. So much
Amazing.
fun.
We're going to get a drink now, and then we'll end the day where. Well, let's end it here. Been an amazing day today and yesterday, and we'll see you in the next video where tomorrow we are doing things, and you'll see it tomorrow.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and all that stuff. Time for a beer. Cheers.